What's up, everybody? Dre Hall here from YouTube. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new. I'm gonna show you how to make money online. It's really simple. I'm closing sales for you, and that income gets generated right to your account. Go ahead and click the link below if you want to see more information. We're gonna hop into a product called Digital Cash Club and show you just exactly what you can expect upon getting started. So you have YouTube for business, Facebook Live for business, Instagram for business. Let me pause real quick and just show you what's inside these videos, or these products. Right, there's 20 YouTube videos. Everybody, Dre Hall here with a Digital Cash Club membership review. Is it worth the $250? In my opinion, yes. You get to learn a lot with the Digital Cash membership, right? We got YouTube for business, Facebook Live for business, Instagram for business, LinkedIn for business. You can learn how to start coaching inside the online money niche industry, right? You learn email marketing. This is outside of this is outside of Digital Cash Club. These are going to be skills you could carry with you for the rest of your life. List Grow for Profits, The Content Factory, Blogging for Profits, Sales Copy Profit, HubSpot for Profits, and Pinterest for Business. There's a lot you could learn. Let's take a look at one of these just to see how much you're getting inside. So you see this is 4 videos on Pinterest, 6 videos, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 videos just inside of one part of the product. With Pinterest, say I take the cost $250 and divide that by 20, you're paying about $12.50 one time to expand your skills inside of Pinterest, whether or not you know how to use it or not online. Now, the Digital Cash Club does come with reseller tools, which means you can earn 100% commissions in this product. Okay, so it looks like I just got a payment. I will check on that in my next video, right? I want to keep this one about the product. So I will see you guys on the next video. I actually went ahead and logged in to show you guys this. Digital Cash launched today, February 23rd, right? And you just seen that notification, 4:16 p.m. Let me refresh this one time for you guys. Just so you guys know it's real, I just clicked the refresh button. I don't really got a reason to lie. All this stuff's legit. Everything I do is legit. You guys take advantage of my bonuses when you get started today. Come over to the website, join my free group if you're interested in learning marketing in general. I'll see you guys on the inside. Right, 4:17 p.m. is the time now. Let's go to Google. Or it's 4:17 now. You see it's expected February 25th. I'll see you guys on the next video.